Hello, wonderful people. I greet you all. Igbo Class World, bringing to you information about traveling. Today is very big one. What are we going to do? I'm bringing information about Japan and Germany. It's about study in the university. Look at number one university, Heidelberg University, Germany. Look at the link. The link is blue in color. You can copy the link and you browse, apply there, seek for admission. They will take you. You are not going to pay any copper, any shishi for your school fees, but please mind you, you are going to hold your pocket money to show that you can feed yourself, you can pay house rent, you can transport yourself, but for school fees you cannot pay any further. I told you I will be bringing to you everything I see that our people will benefit. This one is Achin University. Achin University, just browse through it. You will see a lot of courses. You choose the one you like. You are not going to pay anything. Wonderful people, share this video. This one is greater opportunity to Japan. Germany is a very good country. Germany is in Europe, is in Schengen country, is number one country, number dream country of everybody. But please, my dear people, mind you that they don't speak English. You have to learn a little English, a little German. They call it Dutch. This one is Heidelberg University. Again, it has appeared again. You have seen it and the link. Do you still need the link? If you need the link, say yes, I need the link. But the names of universities, they are rolling in the screen. So look at the screen. You can screenshot it and copy it. Put it in your browser the way you see it. Copy it, or you copy the name of the university and put it in your browser. Everything will open. If you some are in Dutch, Germany, but there's a place you will click en English. Everything will turn to English. Or you can seek for somebody who can help you. This one is Humboldt University. This one is in Berlin. Berlin is a very big city in Germany. So if you want to go to very big city, this is opportunity for you, because every country, they have city, they have countryside, they have a village. So where do you want to go? Dear people, you have to apply in all, so that you never can tell who will call you, because after applying for admission, some school will not call you even in your own country. Some school will not call you even in United Kingdom here. After applying for so many schools, some will not call you, some will call you. So apply wider range, so that you will have greater opportunity. This one is Technical University. You can see it's rolling in the screen, so no need of saying give me the link, give me the link. Many a times after broadcasting, people will be saying give me a link. Do you still need the link? If you still need the link, just indicate that you still need the link. But you don't need the link anymore, because everything you want to have is here. Look at it again. Free tuition fee to study. Free tuition fee. You are not going to pay anything. But mind you that they don't speak English. You have to learn a little Dutch, so that you will succeed in that country. Because a lot of many a times, if you don't know the language, is like a little barrier, but it won't bother you. Don't bother. Please share our video. Thank you for listening.